What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of the channel and follow along, I've been working on my winter beater for the group build that I'm hosting. I'll put a link down in the description about that and where to join if you'd still like to. It's still going on. It goes till December 1st, excuse me. I'm at a stage here where I've got pretty much everything detail painted and a little bit of rusting and patina going on, and I've got some junk, some crap in the bed, you know, because pickup, extra weight. I've got some other little detail stuff, and then I've got my arsenal of I don't know what I'd call this, the faux kit. My variants of colors here. I've got some yellows, green variants, a red, and different tans. Basically a 2, 3, 4 color wash, like a you know, just smear and smudge basically. And then some other little things that, you know, may or may not go in with the kit, but I'm at a stage where it's all ready to get glued together and then apply this, start doing the weathering, the mudding. But this other kit over here that, oh, avalanche, no, not the pacer. Very cool. This is definitely up on the next up shelf. But this whole thing with the dually and the Bronco are going to get, specifically the Bronco is going to get the same weathering mudding technique that this is going to get, and more intensely, in fact. So what my plans are here is I'm going to take this, put it back in its box for now, and then get cracking on the Bronco dually setup. Get that to the point where I can do all the weathering and everything all at the same time. So that's really about it. Just wanted to share something real quick that I'm making a piece of plastic over the broken window, because again, if you were at a truck, you locked yourself out, you had to break the window, life is whatever. And the little trick I've used for the duct tape, what looks like duct tape, basically I'll take some white, just some plain, not white, but you know, masking tape, paint it, color it with some silver Sharpie, and then cut little strips. And the texture of the tape looks like tape. Imagine that. So that's pretty much it. Just a quick little video. I guess it's a bench update. I mean, do you really care? Do you, oh, gotta check it off. It made a bench update today on the date as the November thing. Pretty excited about getting to this. This will get a little bit of weathering, but not too much. More this guy. I'm gonna crack this open, and as you saw some of the other teasers, I'm gonna chop the doors off. I'm gonna put some way bigger tires on it. So we're gonna get into that and get it to the stage where this is at, and then I can do a mass weather mudding all together now. Mass mudding, weathering all together now. That's about it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.